Today's video where we're looking at a lens cap and a lens holder that you attach to a bag, I think, or something like that. Let's open up and see what we got. So yeah, that's where you're going to fit your loop through there, your bag handle. And we've got 52mm and 67mm, and on the back we've got 58mm, and that lens cap is a 58mm, so it's a cap buckle. So let's open it up and see how it works. So yeah, obviously not as good as the proper ones, but they'll work. So that's a 52mm and a 58, so let's try the 58 on the back. So yeah, that attaches fine, and the 52mm on the front, or is it the back? And the other side's the front, not too sure. So yeah, that fits perfectly fine on there. You got your two lenses attached, lens caps. Now let's. So yeah, we're going to force this on here. If we can get that in through the little hole there. So that just slips in and you pull it forward. And the opposite side. So you just want to show you again. You just slide that in through there like that, and it's on. Yeah, so make sure you don't have to put it in your pocket and keep it clean from dust and stuff, as it's on the outside away from everything in your pockets. So yeah, that's a good value piece of equipment. I'm always dropping my lenses, lens caps, so yeah, this is pretty good. And if you like that video, please check back for more videos coming soon.